Hi, this is the video for the optional homework on piecewise defined functions. The idea of this homework is that I'll do the left column and then you do the right column yourself, plus the back side is also for you. In this left side, just like the right side, the point is to graph this function in number 3. It's piecewise defined and it has 2 pieces. What I'm going to do in the video, just like the homework is set up, I'm going to graph each piece individually. So first I'm going to graph this piece that says 2x plus 1. I'm going to graph the whole thing. And then I'm going to graph this piece that says 3 right here. So for the first one, I'm going to use a green pen and graph y equals 2x plus 1. Y equals 2x plus 1 is just a line, so I can graph it either using properties of lines or I can plug in some numbers. If I plug in a 0 for x, I get a 1 for y, that's the y-intercept. If I plug in a negative 2 for x, I'll get a negative 3 for y. That's down here. And now I'm just going to connect these 2 points to make a line. So that's what y equals 2x plus 1 looks like. Now I'm going to switch to a blue pen, and I'm going to do y equals 3. Y equals 3 is boring. It's just a horizontal line through 3. Okay. Now I'm looking at my piecewise function. It's telling me it wants to see 2x plus 1 where x is less than 1, and 3 where x is greater than or equal to 1. This side is where you look to see where to put which function. So since it breaks at 1, it's for x less than 1 and x greater than or equal to 1, I'm going to put this dashed line at 1. This isn't actually part of the function, it's just to remind myself what I'm doing. So on the left side, where x is less than 1, I want to put this function 2x plus 1 that I graphed in green before. It just looks like this. Now I've hit my line, so I'm going to stop. Since it says less than 1, it doesn't include this point. I'm going to fill in that point. I'm going to make it hollow. Now for the blue part of my function, that function y equals 3, that happens when x is greater than or equal to 1. So now I'm going to draw that one. These 2 functions happen to meet up right here, so I can fill this in now. I think on your homework, your 2 functions won't line up, so you'll have a gap or a jump. Anyway, that's how to do this. Thank you for listening.